Haha. Are you still coming over tonight? Of course. I've packed my bag already. Yay! I got popcorn, chips, and chocolate. We're going to snack like crazy. Haha, sounds perfect. What movie are we watching? I was thinking The Princess Mystery. It's funny and a little spooky. Ooh, I love spooky. Should I bring my pajamas with the cats on them? Yes. And bring your pillow too. We'll build a blanket fort. Okay, I'm in. Do you want me to bring anything else? Maybe your nail polish. Great idea. This is going to be the best sleepover ever. Totally. Can't wait to see you.